good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 8 from verse 26 to verse 39. Jesus run enough demon out of one man. Them sail go the country where the Gerasenes people them live, where they cross from Galilee. Same time Jesus come out of the boat, one man from the town come up to him. The man did have a demon. For one long time, him did a walk naked and never did live in no house. A burying ground he did live. When the man spot Jesus, him bawl out and drop himself in front of Jesus. Him shout out pan top of him voice, "Left we no Jesus, the most high God pick me. Do, me I beg you, no make me suffer." Him said that cause Jesus did start to tell the demon to come out of him. Whole heap of time the demon did take him over. So people used to chain up him hand and foot them and guard him. But he would have broke out of the chain them and the demon would have carried him go which part nobody know there. So Jesus asked him say, "What your name?" Him answer back, "Whole heap, a so we name." Him say so him name cause enough demon they go in him. The demon them did a beg Jesus not to tell them if you go down at the demon prison. The pit went on a bottom. Now, one whole heap of did a yamp on the hillside. The demon them beg Jesus to make them go in at the hag them. Jesus make them go on. So the demon them come out of the man and go in at the hag them. And the whole of the hag them make off down the steep hillside go straight in at the lake and drown. When the man them will look after the hag them, see what happen. Them run go spread the news in a town and the place them where they near the town too. So the people them go for see what did happen. When them reach which part Jesus did they see the man where Jesus run the demon them out. Him did a sit down at Jesus' foot. And him did have on clothes and in him right mind. And the people them catch them afraid. The one them where did see what happen. Tell the other people them how Jesus make the man where did have a demon get better. Then all of the Gerasenes people them and everybody who live near them did well afraid. So they asked Jesus to left them area. Jesus go in at the boat and go away. When Jesus did a left, the man when him run the demon them out did a beg for go with him. But Jesus sent him away and say, "Go your yard, go tell everybody all of what God do for you." The man left go spread the news all over the town and tell them all what Jesus do for him. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.